how to fix aspect ratio issues on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, to fix your aspect ratios, you'll need to go to your settings, and then on the left hand side, tap on system, and there you'll see display option. Tap on display and then scroll down, and under scale and layout you'll see display resolution. So just tap on it and there you will see various resolutions. So mine is set to 1920 is to 1200, and that is a recommended one. So just choose the one that is recommended to you. However, if you don't like it, then you can just choose the one of the aspect ratio that you want, and then you can see if it fits your size or not. If it doesn't, tap on revert, and then do the same with other. Tap on it, and if you like it, then tap on keep changes. If you don't, then tap on revert. So just keep doing it and choose the one that you think fits the most. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.